Have you ever imagined your phone could actually fly out and take your own pictures? That's right, this is no joke. Samsung has created a revolutionary smartphone that will blow your imagination out of the water. Because hidden inside this phone is a tiny 200 megapixel drone camera. Now you'll be able to capture stunning bird's-eye view videos and photos without needing a separate drone. But this isn't just another feature, this is a total game changer for the smartphone world. So in today's video, we're going to give you the full scoop on this incredible phone. We'll break down how this drone camera actually works, what other mind-blowing features this phone packs, and, most importantly, what it's going to cost and when it might launch. Stick around till the end, because every bit of info is going to leave you stunned. Features of the Samsung drone camera phone. Display. This futuristic phone from Samsung comes with a stunning 6.92-inch LTPO OLED display, featuring a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate. You're also looking at a peak brightness of 3200 nits. On top of that, it boasts an IP69 rating for dust and water resistance, and an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. Camera setup. But the real showstopper is the camera. This phone includes a mini 200 megapixel drone camera that you can control directly from your phone. And that's not all. On the back, you get a powerful triple camera setup, a 108 megapixel main, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12 megapixel telephoto. Meaning, you're covered for photography from literally every angle. Performance. Powering it all is Qualcomm's most powerful processor yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. So whether it's hardcore gaming or heavy multitasking, this phone is an absolute beast. And for the operating system, you're getting the latest and greatest Android 16 right out of the box. Battery life. Let's talk battery. It's equipped with a massive 8500 mAh battery that supports 125-watt ultra-fast charging. So even after flying the drone and pushing the phone to its limits, you won't be stuck worrying about battery life. Price and launch date. Now for the million-dollar question, what's it going to cost? From what we're hearing, this phone could be priced around $2,000. As for the launch date, Samsung could be launching this globally by the middle of next year. So, are you ready to get this next-level tech in your hands? If you are, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe so you're the first to know about groundbreaking tech like this. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think of Vivo's drone camera phone.